In this video, I'll show you how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can automate transaction categorization and reduce repetitive manual work while still keeping control over accuracy. Start by opening the Transactions menu from the left panel and moving to the Rules tab where all automation settings live. Then click New Rule and give it a clear descriptive name you will recognize later. Choose whether the rule applies to money in or money out, and select the specific bank or card account it should monitor so it does not affect unrelated feeds. Add precise filters such as description contains certain vendor names or keywords, and test the rule preview to confirm it only matches the correct transactions, because overly broad filters can misclassify entries and distort financial summaries. After that, decide whether to assign a category or exclude duplicates, add payees or customers if needed, and save once everything looks consistent. Subscribe for practical tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.